the last candidate number 10. This is Kimberly May A. Holiera from Polomolo. Hello, Kimberly. How are you?
I'm feeling greatly empowered tonight because finally I had a chance to break a community standard and challenge the stereotype that beauty queens should have a long volumed hair.
I love that. Greatly empowered. Well, I hope it translates to your answer in a bit. Here's the question. The administration of our beloved Governor Reynaldo S. Tamayo Jr. has introduced a slogan, South Cotabato, Angat Ka sa Lahat, for us South Cotabateños to behold and embody. For you, what are the unique features of the province that we can truly consider Angat sa Lahat?
South Cotabato is truly blessed in natural resources and even in culture. But I believe there are three things that I think South Cotabato can really say that it makes us angat sa lahat. First is our stories. Second is our culture. And lastly, our people. Our stories, our dark past that made us who we are as South Cotabatanos is really important for us to embrace and truly identify ourselves as one. And second, of course, our culture. Without this culture, our tinalak fabric and our tinalak weaving is what makes us distinct from the rest of the world. And of course, lastly, the people. Without the people coming together to amalgamate the changes that they want to pursue in our province, we are nothing. And that, with that three qualities, it makes us a one South Cotabato thriving as one tribe. Thank you.
Wow!
Woo!